How to transfer money from bank account to Payoneer. The first thing you should do is go to pay.com and log into your account. Once logged in, click on any one of the balance boxes. For example, I'll click on this one. Then, you need to request a payment, and you can choose to either bill them directly or through the marketplace platform. After requesting a payment, you'll have to wait about 3 business days. Next, get your bank account details by clicking on Get Bank Account Details. When you go back, click on Get Started, and it will show you this option. Click Next. You will need to select your country, then click Next again. Now you can easily submit your request, and they will provide you with the account details you can use to send money to Payoneer from any of your accounts. You'll also need to provide some documents, so click on Submit, and you'll be asked to answer a few questions. Then, you must also submit a government-issued photo ID. Attach your ID photos or passport and click Submit. After that, they will verify your details and approve your request. Once approved, they will give you the necessary information to send money to your Payoneer account. You can then open your bank app, choose to send money, and use the details they gave you. Enter the amount, and you'll be able to easily transfer money to your Payoneer account. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.